I have with me the Samsung Galaxy S10. Yay, let's unbox it. You know, if you're like me, well, you know what I like the most is buying new phones. So today I have with me the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is the Indian SIM only version, wherein you can only put for Indian SIMs, but you can use it globally. It is dual SIM in nature, just like it's reflected here. It's a little reflecting. Let's remove this top portion. Let's remove the top portion of this. So this is the money shot. That's good enough to remove it. So as you see, this is the Duos version, meaning it's dual SIM in nature, and it's supported by and secured by Knox, and there's a security tag among a lot of things. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. Let's quickly unbox it. It went across that aim, huh? Okay, we're here, almost here. What's this? Wow. Whoa. I didn't expect this. Well, here we have the phone. The edge-to-edge displayed phone. In the box we have the earphones, the earplugs, and the charger, and the OTG plugs, cables, wires, and the USB-C cable, among other things. And on the other side of the box, this is the first time Samsung has put something across this side of the box. We got the SIM ejector tool, or you can just use another normal pin for that as well. Doesn't matter most of the time. And among the documentation, we got a case like the Note. Samsung's already putting cases as well. We got some warranty cards and other warranty information. A quick start guide as well. Flexion, so just need to tilt it a little. A quick start guide with the other things. Well, the phone, well, the only thing, oh, this is the money shot as well. And I've got the blue version of it. There's something in the middle. I know what this is. I think this is just the thing. So I've got the blue variant of it. So there's triple cameras on the back with the flash on the side. And that's it. There's a pre-applied screen guard. Okay, let me show you that. I don't think you're able to even get that thing off it. You can see, oh yeah, now you can see it. It's done it a little away. You could see this corner, this edge. It's pre-applied screen guard, and just put on the case and you're good to go. Out of the box, Samsung Galaxy S10, and you're good to go. Samsung, this is amazing. Keep doing whatever you're doing about this. I mean, you don't need to go buy another case or wait for a few days to get your phone started because you don't have a case and a screen guard. Many people actually, though I already have an insurance with it, but yet. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a pleasure making this video just for you. If you're a first time subscriber to this channel and you are viewing this video for the first time, do like this video. Then there are a few other videos right across which you can check out as well, which are similar in nature. There's something that will benefit you overall. I made sure of that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you guys soon. Bye bye. Just a quick thing though, if you have any query about the phone, you want to know something more in specific, do leave your comments down below. I will make sure I answer all of them. Anyways, bye.